Right guys, welcome back to the channel. Little job in the garden today. Got these old sleepers. They're looking a bit worse for wear. They were painted grey when we moved in, but now they just look crap, to be honest. They need a good sand down. I did have a little Titan sander in the shed, but to be honest, it was absolute rubbish. Cut the plug off it so no one picks it out of the bin to try and use it. It's absolute shite. You know anything about halves, this just ain't good for your health. So yeah, boom, in the bin she goes. Bits I need for the job: little face mask for the dust. Bought an extra extra set of sheets for this little Erbauer 400-watt orbital sander. I don't want to go spending a fortune. It's not like I'm going to use it all the time. I paid 50 quid for it. Let's have a look what we've got in the box. All right, comes in a little bag. Nice. To make sure I put it back in there. Do you know what? For like 50 quid, it's not bad. It's not bad to go in. Little attachment there, so obviously a dust catcher. Yeah. Sander itself. Little attachment there. I think that's with a vacuum, and yeah, it does come with a few discs in there. What does it say on the back of these? All right, yeah, a few different grades. I think P80, P120, P240. Just going to there. So a little catcher has got a, yeah, oh, it's got a little flap on the back. Just to empty it. That's what I'm going to be using. I won't be attaching any vacuum to this. It just clips on there. If I put it on the right way, yep. Right. Whack a disc on and we'll give it a go. Well, I have to say, this doesn't vibrate anywhere near as much as that crappy little Titan one I had. Pretty smooth, it's not that loud, and it's easy to use. It's not doing a bad job, although I will have to put a coarser sanding disc on there, because this paint's been on there for a long old while. Alright, time for a quick disc change. I think this one's a P60 I've gone for. It's a little bit more coarse, so it should take that paint off a little bit better. Yeah, do you know what? It's done a pretty good job, and it hasn't taken that long. How many sleepers I had? About 4 sleepers along this section. Took about 45 minutes, maybe an hour. You can see it's done an all right job, to be fair. I'm using Creosil to paint this. Just wanted a more natural sort of look about it. And that is soaking in pretty good. Yeah, do you know what, guys? I'm pretty happy with this. It's come up. It's looking good. Well, I think it looks good. And so does my wife. She's happy with it. We've got like a similar sort of thing going on out the front of the house as well, which I might show you guys at some point because that was graft. It took about 3 weeks to sort that out. Do you know what? Mean as this didn't take that long, I'm not going to bore you by doing the video that long, but I am going to finish off the rest of the garden, and you can now see what that looked like. There's a fair bit there. That took about 3 hours ish. Overall, I'm happy with it. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. See you on the next one.